Trump administration expands social media surveillance. What immigrants need to know. What if I told you that right now, immigration officers could be scrolling through your Instagram post from 5 years ago? Or reading comments you left on a friend's Facebook wall, or analyzing who follow you on X? In 2025, this isn't just possible. It's happening every day to thousands of visa applicants and immigrants in the United States. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the Trump administration's expanded social media surveillance program, and more importantly, showing you exactly how to protect yourself while maintaining your digital presence. Welcome to Veripass channel, where we help skilled professionals navigate the US immigration system with confidence. If you're new here, we specialize in helping extraordinary individuals secure O1, EB1 and EB2 visas through AI-powered solutions and expert guidance. Today's video might be the most important one you watch this year if you're in the immigration process or planning to start soon. Before we dive in, hit the subscribe button and notification bell to stay updated on critical immigration developments that could affect your future in America. Let's start with what's actually happening. In January 2025, the Department of Homeland Security implemented new policies expanding social media monitoring for all visa categories, building on previous measures. Here's what changed. Expanded scope. Previously, enhanced screening mainly targeted certain countries or visa types. Now, it applies to all visa categories, including O1 and EB visas for skilled professionals. Historical depth. Officers are now instructed to review up to 7 years of social media history compared to the previous 3-year standard. Contact analysis. Immigration officials now examine not just your own post, but interactions with your connections and the nature of your network. AI-powered screening. New machine learning algorithms flag potential concerns based on linguistic patterns, content themes, and relationship networks. What many applicants don't realize is that immigration officers aren't just looking for obvious red flags like illegal activity. They're evaluating your character, your connections, and consistency with your application. Here's where things get complicated and where most immigrants face unexpected challenges. Number 1, the consistency trap. Immigration officers compare your social media presence against statements in your application. Small inconsistencies can trigger deeper investigation. For example, one of our clients, a software engineer applying for an O1 visa, claimed 5 years of specialized experience on his application, but his LinkedIn profile showed slightly different dates and responsibilities. This minor discrepancy led to a request for evidence that delayed his case by months. Number 2, the association problem. Your connections matter more than ever. The administration's new guidelines specifically target concerning relationships and suspicious network patterns. We've seen cases where applicants were questioned about connections to individuals who had made politically controversial statements, even when the applicant wasn't directly involved. Number 3, the cultural misinterpretation issue. This is perhaps the most insidious challenge. Humor, sarcasm, or cultural references that seem innocent in your home country can be misinterpreted by immigration officials unfamiliar with your cultural context. Number 4, the privacy paradox. Many immigrants believe private accounts are safe from scrutiny. In reality, the new policies include provisions for requesting access to private accounts as part of the application process, with refusal potentially counted against you. Now, for the actionable part. Here's your digital presence strategy for navigating this new reality. Conduct a comprehensive audit before submitting any application. Conduct a thorough review of all your social media accounts. Review posts, comments, likes, and shares. Check tagged photos, examine group memberships, analyze friend-follower lists. Perfect alignment strategy. Ensure perfect alignment between your visa application, your resume, LinkedIn profile, personal website, portfolio site, professional profiles. Even minor discrepancies in date, titles, or responsibilities can trigger flags. Network pruning protocol. This is counterintuitive but essential. Temporarily disconnect from contact who might raise flags. This includes individuals with extreme political content, connections with criminal histories, contacts from sanctioned countries, people openly discussing visa violations. I'm not suggesting you permanently cut off friends or family, but during the active application phase, minimizing these connections is a strategic necessity. Digital content framework. Strategically enhance your profile with content that reinforces your visa application. For O1, highlight achievement, awards, and recognition. For EB1, emphasize exceptional ability and impact in your field. For EB2, showcase advanced degrees and specialized expertise. Engagement recalibration. Be intentional about your online engagement during the application period. Limit political commentary, focus on professional content, engage with industry leaders and organizations. Document professional development activities. Now, let's explore some perspectives that most immigration attorneys and consultants aren't discussing. The positive leverage opportunity. While social media surveillance creates risks, it also presents a strategic advantage for well-prepared applicants. Your digital presence can become powerful supporting evidence. We've helped clients create targeted content strategies that resulted in stronger applications than would have been possible with traditional documentation alone. The third-party reference framework, a little known fact. Immigration officers often place higher value on how others engage with your content than on what you post yourself. Strategically soliciting endorsement, recommendations, and professional interactions can significantly strengthen your perceived credibility. The multiple digital identity management system. This is controversial but increasingly necessary. Maintaining distinct digital identities for different aspects of your life. We have the professional identity that involves being fully public and carefully curated. The personal identity that involves higher privacy settings, limited network, and we have creative political identity that involves maximum privacy controls. The key is ensuring these identities don't contradict each other in ways that could raise consistency concerns. The digital absence red flag here is something surprising. Having no social media presence can now trigger additional scrutiny. The current administration's guidelines specifically flag suspicious digital absence as a potential concern. The solution isn't avoiding social media. At Veripass, we've developed AI-powered tools specifically designed to help you immigrants navigate these complex challenges. Our digital presence analyzer scans your social media history and flags potential concerns before immigration officers see them. And our team of immigration experts provides personalized guidance on optimizing your digital presence for specific visa category. The expanded social media surveillance program presents real challenges, but with the right approach, you can transform these obstacles into an advantage. Remember, audit your existing presence, ensure perfect consistency, manage your network strategically, supporting content, engage thoughtfully. If you're feeling overwhelmed by this requirement, on top of all the already complex immigration process, that's exactly why we built Veripass. For those serious about maximizing their approval chances, book a strategy session with our team using the link in the description. And if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with anyone navigating the US immigration system. Your support helps us continue providing these critical updates.